this is Angie from Concord and 9th, and I'm just going to show you how our new turnabouts with the alignment aid and our turnabout jig works and how you go about lining that up. So with every stamp set, you're now going to a turnabout stamp set, you're going to receive this alignment aid. And what you do is you'll just place this down and it'll say this side up, and you'll take the ink side of the stamp, this is the side you ink, and you'll place it down and line it up with the artwork on your alignment aid, like so. And then you're going to take, see this black X that's on the alignment aid, and line this up with the new turnabout jig. This is what's going to help you do your turning and get it all lined up. Okay, so what you do is you'll put this in corner of your MISTI, and there's an X here that you'll line up with the X here. So you'll just set that down, and then you close the little window to pick up your stamp. Okay, and then this is all lined up, so you can just remove this alignment aid, and then you're all set to go. You do not need to move your stamp again. So we'll take our cardstock, and there's little registration marks on the jig so that you can get it centered. You can either go this direction or this direction on your card, whichever way you'd like. So I just put some temporary adhesive down to hold my cardstock in place, and then I'll go ahead and start inking. So we'll take our first color, and I've done my first bit of stamping. Okay, so I leave this in place. There's a little one up in the corner also, so I know that I've done my first color of ink, and then I'm going to turn it to the 2 in the top so that I know I'm on my second round. Let me just clean this off here. We'll get ready for our second color. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my second color of ink, and I know that I've already turned because I've got my 2 up in the corner. And then I can stamp that layer down. Okay, so that's all set. Just clean this one off. Move into my third color here. Ink this up. And then make sure you turn it so that your 3 is in the top right corner. I'm ready for my third color. And then clean that one off. And I'm getting ready for my fourth turn here. And sometimes you forget if you've turned or not, so you know if you're on your fourth color, you're going to want the 4 in the top right corner. What's fun about these is you get this big colorful pattern, and you've been able to make this fun background with 4 colors of ink, and you haven't had to move your stamp. You just have to position that one time. That's how it works. Thank you.